These blinds, y'all know I got to have my sunlight. Gotta have my sunlight. I already opened, somebody already opened that. Look at y'all. Yeah, cause what you doing? You about to get, yeah. Okay. So here's a quick check. Outfit of the day. You know, just husband's boxers. Grandma's jacket. Not sure who jacket this is, but we chilling. So let's get it. Let's go. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I am the Asian Wear. Welcome. I'm praying that you guys are staying safe and healthy and well because it's crazy outside. So I'm in the kitchen, right? As you can see, we went grocery shopping and we did a massive grocery shopping haul that I couldn't even record because honestly, like, I just wanted to focus on grocery shopping because I enjoy grocery shopping. But right now I'm about to put up all of these freaking groceries and organize my fridge, organize my cabinet, my pantry, because everything is just a mess, honestly. And I haven't used my organization stuff from Christmas. Well, I mean, it's only like 5 days in the new year, but I haven't used it yet because I'm waiting on my labels to come from Amazon. So let's get started. I just decided to start a video, and don't skip the video because there's gonna be a code word. And let me tell y'all, let me see, let's talk. Are y'all enjoying the uploads? Like, your girl been so consistent. So how I'm probably finna do, see, I got like my spices. But okay, how I'm probably gonna do this is probably OD, because I'm sitting on the floor about just separating everything, like organizing everything right here on the out here first. So putting all my drinks over here, you know, cereal, rice, chip, everything separated out here first, and then put it in my jars, then put it in there. So I'm gonna probably just take everything out of there, put it out here, and just organize it like that. Let me put my glasses on. I gotta put my glasses on so I can think, because okay, I feel like I know something now. So I think that's what I'm about to do though. I think I'm going to, yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take everything out the pantry, put it out here, separate it first, and then like count my jars and just write down like, okay, this jar will be rice, this jar will be cereal. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's do that. All right, let's do that. Oh. Cleaned the first 2 shelves, and now I just need to get the rest of this out. This is pretty much where like all of that stuff is gonna go, so I kind of want to just leave this in here and just start putting that right there because that's really where it's gonna be at. This is about to be trash. Just throwing this away. My gadgets are supposed to be in that closet, which is my gadget closet. But I need to get some shelves. See, so up there is paint. But I wanted to get some shelves made in here to put like my gadgets and stuff. But yeah, y'all. Your girl is 360 camera. Ooh, go chop. Go chop. Go chop. Whew. Got a headache. Okay, still got our drinks. Got our stuff. Now we done grew over here. Got our rice, our pastas, potatoes, breakfast stuff like, why am I breathing so hard? Pancake mix, grits, oatmeal. Snacks done grew. Told y'all get the same full cereal. Flour, sugar, powdered sugar. All of my organization stuff. We done grew a little bit. So, yeah. But yeah. And then I forgot to even move chop. I forgot that I have this. Something else my grandma bought me. That I got for Christmas from my family. So, yeah. Hey, Cage, come on, let's go.
Hey.
Come on.
If y'all enjoy me on Asia YouTube, say yeah. Say yeah.
Yeah. You just stepped on my stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, get out.
I ain't doing. But y'all remember this song right here? I can lay you down.
Alright, show them my pantry.
Pictures of lady. Tig. Who you at? Go ahead, babe. Camera on you.
Alright, but yeah, you need to be looking at it so you can know what.
Camera on you. So?
I'm just showing y'all that I'm done.
Still ain't done.
And this right here is about to go. This right here is about to be that middle pile. So all that stuff that can't, the middle pile right there, that can't go into containers and stuff like I told y'all already. But that type of stuff has to stay in its right place. So what I'm gonna just do is lay these down and just put them neat right here. Land of the free. Alright, so first, let's grab what we have more of, which is chicken broth. I pretty much use chicken broth a lot because like it's winter time, so the soups, like I always have chicken broth, so I needed to rack up on my chicken broth. Then we'll get into
bounce it, big, bounce it, big, bounce it, big, bounce it, big.
cheeses. Because your girl love her cheese.
They're gonna fall like that. You should put one down.
Alright, so we're gonna have our cheese. Then we'll go spaghetti sauces. We'll go spaghetti sauces. It don't matter if they're not the same. We got some ragu, we got some Prego. Like, what y'all be eating? No, I have another.
Conte sauce.
No, I have another spaghetti sauce. Over this. So I got spaghetti sauces. And then we will go sauces.
Can
So
we?
We got picante sauce, queso that we got from Jake, my grandma. Like New Mexican sauce that we still haven't ate. Let me check the.
I don't think it expired.
Okay.
Yeah, like it's
Okay, what do we need to eat this with though, so I can actually
like
use it?
tortillas.
Oh, it's dip.
Yeah.
Okay, well then next Tuesday we're just gonna do like Taco Tuesday so we can actually use it.
But it's real, like.
Yeah, real deal. Yeah.
Real deal.
Yeah, I'm already.
Real deal.
Yeah, I'm already knowing, buddy. Alright guys, so I'm about to finish up this side, finish up this bottom, and then I'm gonna show y'all.
You don't want me to write this though?
I just wanted them nice and neat like this.
So how you gonna ask me, do I want to write it? Then I say, yeah, I write it. Then it's, nah, I'm gonna order it.
Okay, well let me just, you got a test run for me. You gotta write it.
Alright, where my writing utensil at?
That's another thing, like where your pen and stuff at.
Show me where it's at. Want me to use a pencil?
Yeah, you can do that.
Y'all want me to write? What should I write first?
Write rice.
Rice?
Yeah, let me see you write rice.
And let them folk decide, bro. Oh, that don't look it. That don't look like him. This neat, it just don't. It ain't giving though. You know what I'm saying?
Let me see you writing capital letters, all capital letters.
All caps?
Yeah.
That boy said, nah, bro.
Yeah, let me see that.
All caps.
Yeah.
It's really better, but
Okay.
it ain't giving like label.
Yeah, we just won't wear it.
If I had a marker,
Do you have one?
nah.
Let's see.
If I had a marker, it'd be better though.
Alright, so this box came with these labels for black.
Yeah.
But I don't think I want that. I want white labels like that.
Well, just don't do no labels for right now.
No, but I'm just taking to say that they gave a marker. So I think
For the
marker
black
is white
only.
though. Yeah. How you like those labels?
What?
Those black labels.
Yeah, alright.
I don't know. They giving kitty. You got bad lighting over here, boo. You need to come over here. What is it? They giving like kitty. Nah. I don't like it. Alrighty, so.
Check out again. No. Alright, bet.
Yeah,
Don't ever get scared.
I know. Alright, y'all, good morning. It is the next day, but it's the same vlog. We gotta get back started on this organizing because, child, so I had to go to Bible study yesterday. And we got home at like 3 last night. So I was gonna finish last night. I couldn't. So it's the next morning. But let me check on chat real quick. Act like you know, yo. Act like you know, act like you know, act like you know. Alright. If y'all see my kitchen, if y'all see this kitchen, y'all gonna scream. It's a mess. It looks crazy, but we're about to finish because I'm really almost done. It's just like little stuff, and I really need my baskets, but nonetheless, let's just finish because I gotta make breakfast. It's like, let me see what time it is. Okay, so it's 9:41 and I'm hungry, so I gotta make breakfast. So let me just All right, so I'm getting my labels made, obviously, but I just put our cereal, and then I put our noodles, and then y'all saw that, which I think I'm gonna add another one of these right there. I just really don't like this section. It needs to be in a bin. It needs to be in a bin. But all right, I really just got a little bit more, so let's finish. For real, for real. This is the progress for me. Breakfast stuff up there. Our noodles. Potato station. Rice. Yellow rice. Ooh. It's gonna look cute up in here. Get some labels. But, oh, yeah. So, I am feeling pretty good. Because I'm feeling accomplished, really. Like, the only thing that I have left now, I had mashed potatoes next to the rice, but I threw that box away because I don't know how long those mashed potatoes been in this house, honestly. I just don't know. So, threw all that stuff away. Like, literally, my kitchen look crazy. But all of that's trash. Those are the boxes that, and then our juices, you know, they're going at the bottom. So, next, we only have snacks. That's all I have left is snacks. So, the snacks that we buy as like repeats, I'm gonna put those into the smaller containers, but the ones that's like we just got those today, spur of the moment type thing, I'm just going to leave those out, and they're gonna be in boxes. I mean baskets. They're gonna be in baskets. Jay just left. I mean, we could turn this into a little vloggy vlog. Jay just left. He went to my grandma's house. I'm here. Chop's here. You okay, boo boo? You okay? You wanna come in? Alrighty. He don't really want to come in. Like, he see the camera and think he want to come in, but he don't want to come in. But man, this has been fun, but at the same time tiring. So, and I want to prop my camera up more, but it's like I'm moving so fast and I gotta keep switching the angles. So, but yeah, I'm excited to just have a organized freaking pantry. And so we talked about the labels already, but let me just see, because I feel like I could put at least sugar, a sugar label, because I think they gave me sugar. Let's see. Y'all, we fasting, and honestly, I haven't ate. Like, you can eat something. We haven't ate. Me and Jaquan did not eat at all yesterday. So I am hungry. What's up, y'all? I just want to say thank you so much for tuning into this video. I am done. Everything just looks and feels so freaking good and clean, and I'm excited. So now I'm about to just straighten up my kitchen and call it a night. I will talk to you guys. I'm so freaking excited. So I'm not done. Well, I'm done, but of course, like I said, I have to get my bread container to put my bread in, a box, like a basket for like leftover things. Let's see, my chips. This is going to be like, I'm taking the chips out and putting them in a container. But other than that, and then yes, of course, I have to get my labels, and then my potatoes are not going to be in that. They're going to be in something else. But I'm just super duper excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this freaking video, and this is just your reminder to go clean your closet or something. Just make sure, even if you don't have containers and you don't want to put stuff in containers, it's at least neat, because honestly this is about to be the easiest way for me to cook and get stuff. But thank y'all so much. I love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and the code word for this video is organized. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. See you in a day or two.